This video shows how to replace the Duplex Automatic Document Feeder Maintenance Kit for the Xerox VersaLink B415 Multifunction printer. Press the power button, then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Open the top cover of the document feeder. To remove the feed roller assembly, pull up the lever a quarter turn. Then pull the lever towards you while sliding the assembly to the right. To insert the new document feed roller, align the left end of the roller into slot. Press the roller toward the top cover of the document feeder, then insert the right side into the cover and press down the lever to lock it. Remove the document feeder feed roller by pressing in on its sides until it gets released. Then lift straight up to remove it. To insert the new feed roller into the document feeder, align the roller into the slot, then press it until the bottom of the roller clicks into the place. Slide the top of the feed roller down and press it until it clicks into the place. Close the top cover of the document feeder. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer. After the replacement of the document feeder feed rollers, the supply counter must be reset manually. To reset the supply counter in the control panel, log in the printer with admin credentials. Touch Device app, then select Tools. Inside Tools, touch Device Settings, then choose Supplies. In Supplies, touch Supply Counter Reset. Then scroll the screen to select Document Feeder Feed Roll. Touch the Reset Counter option, appears on the control panel. The Reset Counter confirmation pop-up appears. Touch Reset to confirm.